Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your US bank with Splitwise. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and fund Splitwise transactions with your US bank. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? So, first thing that you want to do is log on to Splitwise. Next, click on Account on the bottom right hand corner. Then click on Add a funding source. Next, click on Bank Account. And then on this page here, you want to go ahead and click on Continue. Click on Continue again, and then it's going to redirect you to this page here where just click on US Bank. Now it's going to prompt you to log into US Bank, at which point you can check which accounts you want to go ahead and connect to Splitwise. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect US Bank with Splitwise. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.